What it do, YouTube? You know what it is, YouTube? At the Car Show Hall, Tennessee. Is that Mr. Ken 10 putting up the 30s? Is that your boy putting up? Man, that boy put up on 30 for to shut it down, boy. Third with the Car Show, baby. Yes, cousin made the Car Show, baby. Ain't no thing, baby. She highway ready, baby. No LS, 350 carburetor. I'm gonna put a hotter sniper on when I get back to the house. Interior still in the shop. No back seat. Freshen up a little bit, y'all. Console coming next. Custom dash. Custom steering wheel, I mean. Yes, sir, baby. We about to get it in, baby. My boy Eddie started here making a noise, rocking the town. One of the cleanest GMC you will see around this thing. I know that's one of the loudest. You know that boy all my life, one of my cool dude, high school friends. Mr. Eddie Starks in the building. He's a Seahawks fan though, so yeah, I know how they go. Yes, sir, fresh up. Yes, sir. Well, we don't play no games. Look at that color, boy. That color's killing. Hey, when I slap that paint on that color, when I slap that paint on that color, she gonna be straight. I'm painting the same color rims, y'all. Man, with the purple rain, El Camino. Then you got the Corvettes. They ain't clean, man. Then you got the old school, man. Oh, all old folks get Corvettes. I guess when you get old, you get Corvettes. My boy Swats with that hat. He need to drop that hat off. I gotta get that hat. You gonna see my video on live? I'm gonna get that hat. Look at him, man. My boy Swats, man. He need to drop that hat off though, man. This is my boy Swats performance, man. He got a channel. He don't with 10,000. Congratulations, buddy.
No, I got the 1,000 right now. I got the 1,000.
We got the 1,000.
You on your way, man.
I'm getting up, man. I'm getting up.
Y'all go ahead, check me out, Swats Performance. But you know, go ahead and smash the subscribe on his channel first. Come on over, check me out.
Yeah, what he got? Y'all see this shirt say? Whistle Gang?
Whistle Gang in this thing, man.
That's
we
it,
always
baby.
Playing with the turbos and stuff, you know.
That's it, so, Mr. King.
Whatever you want. More power.
That's it.
More power.
You don't know I'm gonna get the head off him though. I'm gonna get that head. And now be the day, but one day I'm gonna get the head off him. He gonna put it down, let my boy be deal with eating again. Oh man. Mr. Ken 10 had finally put up riding on 30. 30 gang. With the panoramic sunroof by Perch. That's word, man. I got these boys out here. I get through them and go live. Man, this GMC truck here looking pretty good with the rose gold. Boy, he fight that thing up, boy, he gonna rock the world. Boy, look at that nigga riding on 30s. With the Ken 10 custom. Ken 10 Mafia. Gang. Now this motherfucker here is something special. It's one-on-one. Only Chevy around with the leather interior and cloth. Came like that. Got the console on my boy Anthony. Y'all see this say Box Chevy King. Console in the back. Sunroof. Nice top. Back deck. Then you got the boy sitting on 30. Say you want a roof from Perch, so I gotta make it happen for him, man. Say you want a roof, but we gotta make it happen. I think it's top of you. Nah, he can't get that big one. Then you got Mr. G Money himself. Fly by who? G Money. You know how I know G Money car? Cause you can read. Fly by G Money. Big cap. Rucci Gang. Black. Interior by Jeff. Sunroof by who? Perch William, baby. Yes, sir, baby. Fly by G Money. I'm gonna go outside and get the exclusive real fast. Chevy King bring his whole family with him, boy. That's what's up, boy. I'll go outside and get this monster. I'll go outside and get this monster real fast, man. He can wash his stuff on. He finna wash his. I ain't got time to wait. I'm gonna call. This is the man of the hour, baby.
That's the Trump Roof Master, man.
Hello, boy.
What's good, homie?
Man, come see this thing.
I couldn't notice you with that cowboy shirt on.
Oh,
man.
because you blind.
You could tell that was the eye.
Because you blind.
I was the eye.
Y'all see, man, with the gang on them 30 gang. Y'all see, man, with the 30 gang, with the spinning cap. Spinning cap, baby. 30 light, baby. New trailer and all.
30.
30 on a new trailer.
Whole bunch of Ken 10 custom.
Y'all heard he said, Ken 10 Custom. Like, subscribe, and subscribe, baby.
Right, baby.
I'm gonna give y'all a little bonus for this thing. I'm gonna give y'all a little bonus, man. I'm gonna give y'all a little bonus feature.
There you go.
Look at that thing there, boy. That is a G6.